Welcome back, focused learners. Today we're diving into an explainer that is literally a game changer if you've been grinding away at AI video generation. We all know the absolute exhaustion of doing these things manually, right? Well, today we are breaking down exactly how to scale your AI output without that manual headache, specifically looking at a powerful new tool designed to completely automate your production workflow. Let's get into it. So what if you could turn Meta AI into an automated, completely hands-free production machine? I mean, seriously, picture a workflow for a second where you aren't bogged down by those repetitive, mind-numbing tasks you currently have to endure just to get a batch of clips rendered. Imagine getting hours of your life back while your video output actually shoots up. That's the exact promise we're unpacking today, based on some incredible new developments shared by creator Crimscript AI.
All right, let's start with section 1, the Meta AI bottleneck.
If you've been in the trenches building AI video, you know this pain point all too well. It's kind of this double-edged sword, right? On one hand, Meta AI is incredible. It's totally free, it's unlimited, and it is genuinely powerful enough for a huge variety of video needs. But on the flip side, the bottleneck. Meta recently slapped a really prominent watermark on all their generated videos. Sure, there's a workaround where you copy the link, navigate over to an extraction site, and manually download a clean version. But come on, as any creator knows, a manual workaround like that is just fundamentally unscalable. It is an agonizingly slow process. Creator Crimscript AI hit the nail right on the head here. They said, sitting at your desk for hours, copying every single prompt and waiting around to click download is a massive waste of your time. And they are absolutely right. The sheer exhaustion of just sitting there doing the endless copy-paste dance over and over just to get clean footage, it drains you. It perfectly highlights the immense struggle creators face when trying to actually scale up using these free but heavily restricted web tools. Which brings us to section 2. Enter the AutoMeta extension. So how do we break out of this cycle? Enter AutoMeta. This is a custom browser extension built specifically to turn Meta AI into a fully automated, watermark-free production factory. And the best part is that it isn't some massive, clunky software you have to configure for hours. The setup is remarkably simple. You literally just pop open the Meta AI webpage, click the extension in your browser, and boom, you are instantly ready for high-volume, bulk generation. Moving right along to section 3, bulk input and concurrency. Let's walk through the actual factory floor here. Step 1, pick your images. Step 2, paste in your prompts. Now, listen closely to this part. You absolutely must use double line breaks after every single prompt you paste. That's the secret sauce that tells the system exactly how to separate and queue up the tasks. And step 3, set your concurrency. You can crank this anywhere from 1 up to 6. This is where the automation engine really revs up, taking you from a single file dirt road to a massive multi-lane highway. Just a quick heads up on where the tool is at right now to manage expectations. Currently, AutoMeta is strictly operating in image-to-video mode. That's the baseline today. But the developer explicitly noted that text-to-video is dropping in the very next update. So while we're starting with animating images, the roadmap is clearly pointing toward massive text-based automation really soon. To really put this into perspective, think about your manual workflow. Sitting at your desk, clicking, extracting, downloading, you are capped at generating exactly one video at a time. But with AutoMeta's concurrency mode cranked up to 6, you're churning out 6 videos simultaneously. Running 6 generations at the exact same time completely transforms your production speed. It fundamentally changes how much content you can push out in a single sitting. Let's check out section 4, hands-free downloading and organizing. This is where the seamless back-end magic really takes over while you step away for a break. First off, it auto-downloads your video the very second it's ready. No more staring at a loading bar waiting to click save. Second, sequential file renaming. It automatically numbers and names your files in perfect order. Third, custom subfolder routing. You tell it exactly where to live on your machine. And fourth, every single file is 100% watermark-free. Because it renames and routes everything automatically, the second you sit back down at your computer, your entire bulk project is perfectly organized and ready to drop straight into CapCut or Premiere Pro. And finally, section 5, achieving high-volume results. Let's talk real numbers. 50. Using AutoMeta, Crimscript AI actually demonstrated generating 50 fully organized, completely watermark-free videos in just 5 to 10 minutes. 50 ready-to-edit clips. Literally. In the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee, this extension does all the heavy lifting for you. That is the exact definition of achieving unlimited scale without the manual grind. Oh, and honestly, the best part about this whole shebang? AutoMeta is live on the Chrome Web Store right now. The developer thought the review process would take a week, but it got approved early. And get this, it is 100% free forever. A professional-grade automation tool built specifically to give creators their time back, handed over to the community for exactly $0.
Now, if you want to maximize this tool, here's your next move. Go join the CrimScript AI Discord. The developer made it crystal clear that being in that Discord is the absolute best way to secure master prompt links and get VIP first access to new updates, like that upcoming text-to-video feature we talked about earlier. If you're serious about AI video production, you definitely want to be in there to stay ahead of the curve.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. With all that mind-numbing manual labor finally out of the way, what are you going to create with truly unlimited scale? AutoMeta kills the bottleneck, it drops the watermark, and it does the organizing for you. The only limitation left is your own creativity. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, Focus Learners. Get out there, harness this automated power, and I'll catch you next time.